माध्यमाच्या प्रश्नाचेर पर्रीकार 2 पावलां फाटीं गेला। शिक्षणाच्या माध्यमाचेर ताणें चर्चिलाक थेट जाप दिवंक न्हयकार दिला। माध्यमाचेर भाजपाची भूमिका जाहीरनाम्यान कळटली अशें पर्रीकारान मडगांवां मिडियाक सांगलें। डायोसिसानाच्या 105 शाळांचो प्रस्न आपूण सोडयतलो अशें पर्रीकार म्हणटा। तो म्हणटा माध्यमाच्या प्रस्नाचेर शांतिकायेन आनी योग्य तोडगो काडूं येता। काँग्रेसीन सगळें कोफुजांव केलां, मात ताच्या तकलेंतलो तोडगो उलोवन दाखोवपाक पर्रीकार तयार ना।
My question will come, reply will come in my manifesto. I don't intend to reply to Churchill. That is why I asked you which language he was briefing you on. And I don't intend to create the mess created by Congress by ensuring that 105 schools, mostly dioceses, are in trouble today. And my promise is very simple. I will solve their problem. I feel that issues can be sorted out in a peaceful and amicable methods. I am not against English. I have my principle, but that principle does not make me to stand against a particular language. Proficiency in English is required for every kid. I totally support that. But the method which Congress did it is not accepted by me. I will find a different solution. I only promise a solution. I am not elaborating on it, because if those people who have trust in me, they will accept my word for it. Today, anti-incumbency is massive against Congress, coupled with their folly of promoting family Raj in a big way. It is not family Raj, it is the family Raj. हांव ताका एका शब्दान सांगपाचें जाल्यार it is just like mafia gangs आसता पळय, who take over the country. आतां सद्या पळोवंक जाल्यार मॅक्सिकोक आसा, they have taken over parts of the country, the gangs. तशे gangs जाल्यार they have taken over Congress and they want to take over Goa. So that is what people are reacting against.
काँग्रेसीचे फामिली माफिया राज लोक ह्या वेंचणुकेत काबार करतले असो दावो मनोहर पर्रीकारान केला। तो मिडिया कडेन उलयतालो। काणकोणचो विजय पै खोत अजुनूय भाजपात आसा अशें पर्रीकारान मिडियाच्या एका प्रस्नाक जाप दितना स्पश्ट केलां। निकतीच राष्ट्रवादी सोडिल्लो परवरीचो प्रभू मोनी शेनवारा भाजपात आयलो। गोंयांत राष्ट्रवादी हो पक्ष आतां उरूंक ना, उरल्या ती फक्त काँग्रेस अशी टिका मोनीन भाजपात आयल्या उपरांत मिडिया समकार केली।
महाराष्ट्रान मुंबय ठाण्याक शिवसेना भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या युतीक बऱ्यापैकी यश मेळ्ळें आनी काँग्रेस पूर्णपणे साफ जाली। म्हाका दिसता दीज आर सायन्स टू कम। येणाऱ्या दिसांनी गोंयान कितें जावपाचें आसा हाजी केवळ सुरवात आसा। गोंयान हाज्या पेक्षा काँग्रेसचें चड पानिपत करपाचें गोंयच्या लोकांनी ठरयिल्लें आसा। आनी ज्या पद्दतीन काँग्रेस हायकमांडान तिकेटी दिवपाचे कार्यक्रम आपलो राबयलो, तो केवळ ह्या 5 गोंयचे माफिया गँग तांच्यो फामिली हांच्या भया सकयल तिकीट दिवपाचो कार्यक्रम राबोवन काँग्रेस पक्षाचे पानिपत 13 फेब्रुवारी जावपाचें, ती हूल तांच्यांनी फक्त तांकां तिकेट दिवन 3 फेब्रुवारी पर्यंत 3 मार्च पर्यंत ती फुडें धुकल्लेली आसा। आनी म्हणून गोंयची जनता ह्या अशा फॅमिली राज्याक पूर्णपणे न्हयकारून 3 तारखेक भारतीय जनता पक्षाक कौल दितली हाजी म्हाका गॅरंटी आसा। फाल्यां कळटलें। ही इज स्टील इन BJP. MLA जालो आसत, बट ही हॅज नॉट रिजायन एज अ पार्टी मेंबर। की मेनी independents who have withdrawn, the Congress thinks that they have withdrawn because of them. The reality, I won't name them because let them tell it to the press or the reality is maybe except one, all others have withdrawn in favor of BJP.
हांव सुरवातीसान BJPत 1988 सुनील देसाय जो फोंड्या उबो राविल्लो तेन्ना ताजो पोलिंग एजंट आशिल्लो। तेन्ना भारतीय पक्षाचो भारतीय पक्षाचो एकूय कॅन्डिडेट निवडून येवंक ना। तेन्ना सावन हांव भारतीय जनता पार्टी बरोबर आशिल्लो।
Are you feeling at home?
Yeah, I feel at home.
जागृत गोंयकारांच्या एकवटान तांच्या 12 उमेदवारांची नांवां आनी तांची चिन्हां जाहीर केल्यांत। एकवटान काँग्रेसीचो गेल्या वर्साचो जाहीरनामो घेवन ताचेर बरोच फोग काडला. तांकां बऱ्यापैकी प्रतिसाद मेळटा अशें एकवट सांगता. वेंचणुके उपरांत खंयच्या पक्षाक तेंको दितले ताचेर मात अजून तांणी कांयच निश्चित केल्लें ना.
रे गांवांत आपलो सोशल वर्क करपी
I will answer. One second.
गरीब लोकांची तशीच शेतां पुरता दोंगर हंटा जाल्यार थंयसर ते वचोन तेजेर आड करपी बंद करपी कसल्याय वेळार आमच्या गोंयकारांक त्यांच्या विलेजीन त्यांच्या गांवांत जे खंयच्याय टायमार आकांताक लोकांक पावपी मनीस असले मनीस आमी आयज ज्या गोंयकारांनी आमचे कडेन विचून दिल्ले ते आमी उबे केल्ले आसात. आमचे कडेन खंयचे करप मनीस खंयसर एअरपोर्टार दवरलेले मनीस या ड्रग्सान आसले मनीस असले मनीस ना.
In their own manifesto, they had said, I am reading it out. Corruption will be tackled through Lok Ayukta. Where is the Lok Ayukta? 5 years have passed. Lok Ayukta does not exist. It reads, the Lok Ayukta law which the last BJP-led government had avoided passing for 4 years passed. So they were dumping it on BJP. They were given a mandate by the people of Goa to rule for 5 years. They also did not enact it. Last some 2-3 months, when public pressure became so high, they did some act. But even then, the law has not seen the light of the day. So as much as BJP is responsible, Congress is also responsible for non-bringing of Lok Ayukta. Therefore, what we are saying, corrupt has to be out. People know who is corrupt. Secular people have to be in. Committed, governance-oriented people should be in, and people who are against family Raj should be in. Not only there, everywhere. I read a report saying that in the national Delhi, 4 families are controlling 19 seats. This is not a healthy trend for democracy in Goa. Suitable technology and sites for solid waste disposal with the cooperation and involvement of all concerned players. Which site has been put into operation by this government? Please tell me. 5 years have gone. Which site has been made or mechanized as a completely functional site? People are telling us that we have seen the work that you have done. We have seen what you all have been doing. We are with you all. We are there for a change. Response is fantastic. Our demand is Regional Plan 2021 has to be denotified. Our demand is special status for Goa in a particular manner which we have discussed has to be got. Mega housing in this nature that it is coming to make people second home in Goa should stop. These demands, non-acquisition of cultivable land, all these demands we are going to lay before the party which seeks our support. And then we will take a decision collectively.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसाव.